boys and girls. Good morning, parents. Today we're gonna make Play-Doh. The ingredients are flour, any type of flour. In the school we use organic. I have here all-purpose flour. We're gonna use any type of oil. This is avocado oil, but you can use olive oil or vegetable oil. We have any type of salt, any glitter you have, any color, cream tartar, this is very important, and you need to measure a cup. You have food coloring, any type, could be organic, could be neon, could be any colors you have. You need a plastic container, could be anything, to put a Ziploc bag and water. Okay, here are my ingredients: a cup of flour, a half cup of 3/4 quarters of water, any color you choose. I chose today blue, azul, and a spatula to mix it up. I have 1 teaspoon of any other ingredient, 1 teaspoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cream tartar, and 1 teaspoon of glitter. I chose today the color red, rojo. Okay, so we're gonna start with pouring the water. This is how you explain to the child. They know, so you set up like this for them, and then they start first with the water. Okay, then we're gonna count until 10 to do drop. This is color blue, azul. Okay, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now we have our water blue. Okay, now we're gonna start mixing all the ingredients with the water. Next is the oil. We still have some. Okay, it's empty. It's empty. Now we're gonna, next is the salt. Salt. It's empty. See, no more salt. Good. Now the cream tartar. Cream tartar is white. Cream tartar color is white. Okay, now we finish with the glitter. It's red, rojo. Okay, rojo, red. Now we're gonna mix it up, all the ingredients. Okay, we're gonna mix it up. We're gonna leave the spatula there, and now we're gonna start with the flour. Let's do the flour. Let's do the flour. Okay, the flour. Take your time. It's good. Flour is also like cream tartar, white. You can help yourself and do it all. No more flour. It's empty. Okay, let's remove everything we used. Okay, and we're gonna mix it up. Let's go mixed, mixed, mixed. Nice. Wow. You see, our Play-Doh today is blue. You can use a different color every week, because you can place the Play-Doh when you finish in a Ziploc bag into a container in the refrigerator refrigerator, I'm sorry, and you're gonna keep it there, and it lasts 1 week. And then you can do another one with a different color, different glitter, okay? And if the student tell mommy if you can make the perfect consistency, ask mommy to help you. So mommy can put a little more flour or a little bit of more water if needed. The consistency, it should be like not sticky in your hands, okay? If it's a little sticky, you can put more flours by eye. I don't have the quantity yet, but this is the right consistency. Let me remove this. And this is the container. Okay, we place this. This is the consistency, okay? This is the Play-Doh, okay? And you put it in a Ziploc bag. Okay, after you finish playing with it, you place, I always make a little bowl. Okay, see, it's not sticky in my hands, not sticky. That's the consistency, but has to be enough soft so they can do figures and cut it. And we're gonna put it in a Ziploc bag into a container and place in the refrigerator. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful weekend and holiday.